We return to Techni Paints, Durban branch for another in-depth application and training session on using isolation sealer with the Flexithane polyurethane system on MDF. We'll start with raw MDF prone to swelling, edges and rooted profiles, sanding it with 320 to 400 grit sandpaper to remove loose fibers. Following sanding and dust removal, we start with the isolation sealer. Applying isolation sealer creates a barrier against wax migration, stabilizes the MDF surface, and prevents moisture absorption, resulting in swelling, pinholing, and visible seams. Apply evenly, ensuring edges are covered, and allow for drying. Contact Techni Paints branches for distribution opportunities and technical support. Next, sand lightly for a smoother surface for primer. Now we move on to the Flexithane primer coat. Mixing Flexithane to 2:1 white primer with technical accuracy is crucial. Incorrect ratios might result in film defects, poor curing, surface softness, or delamination. Measure carefully, mix thoroughly with proper induction time, and apply evenly. Apply the primer over the entire board, filling surface imperfections, increasing film thickness, and creating a uniform, smooth layer. Once dry, lightly sand and dust before the Flexithane top coat. Prepare the Flexithane top coat of the primer coat to 2:1 ratio, maintaining the same accuracy. Next, apply Flexithane top coat. We're using the matte finish. Using the full system isolation sealer, Flexithane primer, and top coat ensures optimal performance and durability. Apply with smooth, controlled passes, ensuring consistency and even drying. Compare these two samples, one with isolation sealer and another without, highlighting the superior results with isolation sealer. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Techni Paint, paint that performs.